There's a very juicy story that I can't resist telling here, but
Yep.
if I go on too long, you'll cut me off.
Please, go for it.
So David Bohm was a graduate student of Oppenheimer in the 1940s. He was forbidden from working on the Manhattan Project because he was suspected of communist sympathies because he totally had communist sympathies. But after the war, he became an assistant professor at Princeton. He made a classic assistant professor mistake. He wrote a textbook about quantum mechanics.
Yeah.
And in the textbook, he says this idea of hidden variables had been around. It's basically if you have a wave function that is a wave, but then when you look at the electron, it looks like a particle. Well, one very natural approach to take is there's both waves and particles, right? The Everettian says there's just the wave, but it looks like particles because of physics. The hidden variable folks would say they're both, and what you're seeing are the particles.
Yeah, and he wrote it up both in the textbook, but also in a paper as well.
But no,
52.
in the textbook, he said,
oh,
you
because
can't
of the conversation
do that.
with Einstein.
Exactly.
Yes,
So
yes,
in
yes.
1950, he
Right.
writes a textbook. He says, as we all know, John von Neumann has proven a theorem that
Can't be
says
done.
hidden variable theories can't be done. Of course, von Neumann's proof was in his textbook, which was in German, that Bohm hadn't read.